Hey guys, what's up, good people? It's your girl Wambui back here on your screen with a new video. And in case you are new here or it's your first time seeing this face, welcome to this channel. And please consider subscribing before you continue watching this video and making this your home channel, okay? And if it's you, sorry, if you are a returning subscriber, you guys, I love you so much. Thank you for always clicking onto my videos and for keeping up with me, okay, and being part of this amazing journey. And welcome back. And you guys always know that I love you so much. And yeah, you're just the real deal, okay? Thank you so much for always clicking. All right, so welcome to this week's vlog. This is a weekend vlog. It's going to be a weekend vlog, and I'm coming at you from Nakuru. I am in Nakuru. I've just arrived. Point to note, I stay in Nanyuki, so that is like Kipia, and now I am in Nakuru. So what am I doing in Nakuru? My own business, all right? I just came to have fun, see my person, and yeah, so my man stays in Nakuru and I stay in Laikipia, or in Nanyuki as you may call it. So yeah, anytime you see me in Nakuru, just know I'm down to do my own business. So yes, I'm in Nakuru and I'm super hungry. I've just arrived. It's 9:21. I did not take breakfast. I just carried my coffee in my sippy cup, and now I just want to take something light before I go on to do my business. He's currently at work, so I think I'm just gonna do a little bit of shopping. First things first, take breakfast, then do a little bit of shopping, and then go home. Yeah, and I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. And I don't know what I'm going to be doing in the vlog, but yeah, probably shopping, lots of cooking, because you guys know I love to cook. And yes, I love to cook. So yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy. Just parked next to a favorite spot that I like to go to when I'm in Nakuru. It's the Snackway. They have awesome samosas, so that's what I'm gonna take. Some samosas and some tea in my tea or juice, we'll see. And then yeah, just follow me around. I'm thinking of hopping in to Think Twice. Is it a brilliant idea? I don't know. But I think I'll find my way there. Just pop in there and see what they have, what's going on. Yeah. So I hope you guys are doing well and are keeping safe. So welcome to this vlog and enjoy, right? Subscribe if you haven't.
Winter's here, the snow is falling on our car as we drive for miles to that little town called home. Tinsel hangs from every corner of the house, and Christmas lights shine bright through the cold evening fog. And I hear sleigh bells bouncing off the halls as the church choir sings along. Feel my heart melt when you walk through those doors. For Christmas, you're all I wanted was you. Christmas cheer and drinks with friends we haven't seen for a while, since I've been to that little town called home. Pine tree dressed up with every ornament we got.
Okay guys, so done with a snack, or would I call it breakfast? Whatever you may call it. And I'm outside Think Twice now, and I just want us to get into Think Twice and just see what's up. And I'm seeing the price is at 250. We'll see whether we can get anything or something for ourselves. And yeah, and then we continue with the day. So let's get to Think Twice and see what they have.
Heaven just knows what it was go back to the place where I belong. Everyone could break my heart, but I try my best to not fall apart. And I find it hard to let go. The memories keep me together. Gotta fight till the end, no pressure, no pressure. And I find it hard to say no to the ones who want something better, to the ones who never say.
So this is me, and I was done choosing the clothes that I want to try on. I basically went to get some jeans because I'm short of trousers. So yeah, that's what I chose. Most of these are just basically trousers. And so let's do the fitting and see what fits and what we are going to buy and what we are going to return. Yeah, so yeah, that's why this is the changing room. They have very nice fitting rooms, and yeah, you can always get into one of those and try out your clothes instead of carrying clothes that either are too small or too big for your size. This is my outfit of the day. These comfortable shoes, some jeans, not some jeans, some tights, and that sweater. And on to the first trouser. This trouser fits perfect. Perfect, perfect. So yeah, I like it. So let's see the next. And I love the fact that it is high waisted. I've been trying not to get low cut trousers. I want high waist trousers because yeah, they just cinch in your waist so well. And yeah, so this trouser fits so well. The length is good and it also fits all round. Same to this one. This one now fits better than the first one. I love, love, love it. And these are just trousers, the jeans, the black trousers. I picked a few black, some blue jeans. Yeah, because that's what I want to add to my collection. And I love this one. So I think I loved this one than the first one. Yeah. So let's fit the next one and see how it looks. And then we'll see what I got. But I love this one. It fits so well. It doesn't even need a belt. Yeah. On to this blue one. Looks okay, but not so fitting because as you can see it has like some material left at the front which I don't like. So this one, no, I just decided to return this one. It fits but it's a little bit loose, especially on the hip area, so no to that one. Up next, this ragged one fit me so well, but the problem with it is it was torn at the knee and that needed me fixing. Where you see this place was torn, so I decided not to pick it. Okay, it was good, but still, because of I don't like picking thrift clothes and then you go to repair. If you don't, it's not really necessary. It's not really pressing. You'll always find something better. So I decided to return it. It fit me well, but I ended up regretting later, actually. So to say, but I think I'll get better ones next time. At least something that I don't need to take to the fundi for some repair. But I love it. It looks good. But because of it was torn at the knee, I decided to return it. Yeah. And this was my outfit of the day, as I was trying to tell you earlier. Some comfortable tights and this top and my comfortable shoes. So let's go and pay and then we head on to the next activity. So in case I did not mention, Think Twice also have thrift shoes, and you guys need to check their shoe section once you are in at any Think Twice branch. Yeah, because they have legit shoes. I've bought a couple of shoes from here and they last, like they give me good service. So you can always check the section that has shoes and you'll definitely get something for you and it's cheap. Okay, guys, so I got myself the black trouser, definitely. Here it is. Here it is. And I already did a fit for you guys in the fitting room. Yeah, and that is how Think Twice comes through for you. I'm not advertising. If you have a Think Twice near you, hop on there and you might find good things at a very discounted price. I normally say the good thing about Think Twice is that the things are arranged for you. The clothes are arranged for you. You don't have to go like the normal mtumba, kuchokora, like you just looking for clothes for a very long time without getting. So it's easier, I think, twice. So yeah, I got myself a good pair of black jeans at 250 shillings, and I think that was great And the fact that it's thrifted, I think it's gonna last me a while other than buying a new trouser. And I like it because it stretches, so it hugs me properly and it fits very well. The length all around, it's just perfect. So yeah, from here, let's go to the market or supermarket first. I think we'll go to the market, the grocery market in Nakuru, and then get some groceries, tomatoes, onions, and stuff. And then lastly, the supermarket, and then home. And I think I will see you. Yeah. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
If I should stay or be alone, won't you make up your mind? 'Cause I'm getting tired of overthinking every move you make, and I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, and I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone. I'm just waiting for the fire, but you won't even try to survive. You would rather keep it all inside, and I can help you decide who you're loving now, and how I'm not quite there somehow. My intuition says to give you up, but my heart can't easily let you go. I try to tell myself this isn't love, but I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone. If I should stay or be alone. If I should stay or be alone. I don't wanna be alone tonight. I'm just hoping that you'll be just right. And I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone. If I should stay or be alone, I don't wanna be alone tonight. I'm just hoping that you'll be just right. And I hate that I never really know if I should stay or be alone.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need, what you need. We're broken, it's tragic, we're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it, and I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
Hey guys, so I'm back home and I want to do a very quick mini grocery haul because I did not buy so much. And here we go. So here I have the market groceries like the tomatoes, the onions, and all that jazz. And here I have the supermarket grocery. So let me start with the supermarket grocery because it's what is little. Yeah. So first thing first is beef. So I bought beef, 1 kilo. And then I bought a bunch of spices. So let me show you all of them. Let me just put them here on the table and then I'll a bunch of spices. So first things first, I bought curry powder. I also got some beef Royco cubes. I bought Royco mchuzi mix. I got some garam masala. I think you saw me buying all these spices in the supermarket. I also got some paprika. I also got some cumin powder and some chili flakes and tomato paste. Yeah, so quite a lot. These are the spices that I got from the supermarket. So we put them aside. From there, or some Cortex panty liners. I also got some whole cumin seed whole, these ones that I'm going to be using to cook today. And last but not least, I got the ajab wheat flour that I'm going to be using to cook as well. So we're going to put those aside. Let me just put them back here and then we'll do the market grocery leg. Yeah. So we put those aside. Let me just put them here. So on to the other bag. I got some mangoes. Each were 20 shillings. And then I got potatoes at 100 bob. I also got some tomatoes, 100 shillings as well. In this one, I have some zucchini or some courgette. and some carrots. And then I also got some onions. What else is inside this bag? We also have some, this is called what, the green bell pepper, and some garlic in this bag. And what else? I also got some green peas. This one that I'm going to be using to make some stew. Green peas. I like the ones that have been removed because I don't like the hassle. I'm not about to labor. And then I got myself some, this is what, coriander or parsley, whatever you may call it. And last but not least, I got this ginger. This ginger is so big and it's 20 shillings only. So such a bargain. Yeah, so that's everything I got. And what am I making today? I'm making chapati and some beef stew, which I will not be shooting because it's not a tutorial. I'm just going to be maybe showing you snippets here and there. I'm not going to be doing a detailed video on that. I have done 2 chapati videos. Number one, I've done the pumpkin chapatis, and then I've also done some soft layered chapati. So those 2 videos I think are enough to enlighten you and show you how to cook chapati. So I'm not going to be doing any tutorial. I'm going to be explaining, but I will show you snippets of it. And beef stew is basically beef stew. So yeah, if you want to see how I do my beef stew, comment on the comment section below, and I'll be sure to show you step by step on how I do my beef stew different ways. And yeah, maybe you can learn from me. So I will cook and I will show you maybe the after, and yeah, I will catch up with you guys as we continue. So I hope you're enjoying the vlog up until this point, and if you are, please consider subscribing if you haven't, if you are new. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you very much. Give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends, with your families, because it really supports my
found a picture we took many years ago, when I said to you we would never grow old. Messages I've saved that I never send, cause I don't know you, but I used to back then. I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed out counting stars. Promised all these years we'd pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time. Away out of this small town, got a place at school you didn't hang around. Every day you're far away, these streets don't feel the same. Everywhere is pain.
So I'm done with the cooking. Chapatis and stew is ready, and I decided to just catch up on some shows on Showmax. And I came across this show, The Real Housewives of Nairobi. And yeah, this is what I was just trying to check what it's all about. I've seen it on social media and I was just curious. Yeah, so yeah, that's what's up. So let's chill and see you when dinner is served.
With your name, I remember that I was drunk out my mind when we kissed for the first time. In the back of your car we passed So these years we pack our things and disappear. I never thought I would see you here after all this time.
And just like that, dinner is served, and I think this looks amazing. And you guys, it slapped. It tasted as amazing as it looks. So comment down below if you want to see how I did this awesome beef stew, and I'll be sure to deliver. You guys know I'm here for it all. I love to cook, so yes, comment down below and let me know. Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. And as you can see, sorry, I'm in the kitchen and I am preparing some breakfast. So this is the following day. Today is on Sunday. I hope you guys are having a happy Sunday. And Sundays are for brunch. So I'm preparing quite a number of meals. As you can see, I have already cut up my fruits. And I want to do some potato wedges which are there. And some chapati rolex that from the remains of the chapati from yesterday's dinner. So I hope you guys are well. Welcome back to the vlog. And I love you guys so much. Please subscribe if you haven't. If it is your first time, if it's your first time here, remember to subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up if you are enjoying the video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always clicking and share this video with your friends and your family, okay? And I really appreciate because you are really supporting me, okay? So welcome back to the vlog. I want to prepare breakfast and then maybe we can wrap up this video here. And yes, I will see you on the next one. So who cooks? Who wakes up like this? Me, because I'm in the middle of shooting another different video, and I had to prepare breakfast, so that is why I look all glammed up in the kitchen. But I look good, don't I? Yes. So yeah, welcome back to the vlog, and I'll prepare breakfast and show you everything once I'm done, and then we'll end the video from there. Okay? So, karibu. Okay guys, so I'm done with the breakfast and I simply want to show you very quick the setup on how it looks. And yeah, we end this video here. So very quick, this is how the breakfast is looking. So I have some potato wedges over there. I have that marks the end of this vlog, and I hope you have subscribed. If you haven't, I hope you have enjoyed this video, and yeah, I hope you have already given it a big thumbs up. And yeah, I'll see you on the next one for sure. Thank you so much for tuning in, and until then, adios.